A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Mubarak to everyone after Umrah restrictions lifted in Saudi Arabia, whoever is there or on their way for Umrah. We quickly gonna go through this short video to show you the way, one of the best possible way we found after seeing many ways people are trying to do ihram and then having difficulties, which is, we've done this already. As you can see, you lift the top sheet and the bottom one. You can go as far for your wuzu, walk, sitting down or getting up. Your knees are covered. And this is the satr for a male, from above the navel to right to the below the knee. Under all circumstances, this must be covered. And how we've done it, I'll quickly show you. One side, you take it all the way around as far as you can. And to best do this, you see, if you're covering your left leg below the knee, all the way here. Now hold this tight here, bring this around here, and now tuck this in. And point to remember that you have your legs open when you're doing this. Why? Otherwise, you're going to have a difficulty to walk or even to do remove first 3 circles during Umrah when you're doing Tawaf. Now, the best, easiest way, why we found this is the most practical way, because even if this gets lifted for whatever reason, you're fully covered underneath. And if you sit down or you get up for your wuzu, for anything else, or you walk, you can freely do that. And at the same time, because in ihram, you have 2 sheets. So the second sheet, you keep up here, shorter on this side, take this around your shoulder, and bottom of this sheet, which is above, you can tuck in to your ihram here. So this will work as a shoulder, and your hands are free, and you're free to walk. And this is critical, I repeat, above the navel and below the knee. Under no circumstance it should ever be exposed, because that is gunahi kabira. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala accept ever after it. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.